Instead of being on site today, we're over at Touchwood Cabinets where we have all of our millwork done. I got Olivia here, one of our wonderful designers. We're going to go through a couple of selections, drawings, and then we're going to take you into the shop. Tell us what some of this stuff is and what we kind of do with a client to get to the production stage and the installation of a kitchen.
Yeah, so usually I would go on site first, take some measurements of the space, kind of discuss the layout with you and the customer, and then from there they usually have their appliance specifications all picked out. So I would go through those to make sure that they're all going to fit and then come up with the layout. So we start with the floor plan, lay that out. Then I would meet with the customer. We would make all of our selections. From there, we do elevation drawings to see a 2D rendering of all of the walls.
All of your cabinets, they're custom made to fit.
Yes.
None of them are ordered from another country. We make it right here.
Yeah, exactly. We make all of our cabinets just right there in the shop. We finish all of our doors on site. So all of our stains are hand wiped. All of our painted doors are sprayed.
Cool. Let's head inside to the shop and have a look and see what the guys are doing. So this is actually one of our clients' kitchens that's, I believe, going to be installed either next week or the following week. Everything is ready to go into the spray booth. Here it is.
We always lay out the whole space, hang the doors here so that when we get to site, we know that everything is going to fit and that there's no hiccups when we get there.
Cool. Thanks for having us at the shop.
You're welcome.
And we'll see you next time.
Yes, see you soon.